Today I'm going to show you how to download emails in Outlook. This is really useful when you need to save important emails offline, archive conversations, or share email content with others who might not have access to your inbox. First things first, you'll need to open the Microsoft Outlook web app. To do this, head to your browser and type in outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Outlook login page. Go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails into your inbox. Depending on how many emails you have, this might take a few seconds. Now that your emails have loaded, let's move on to the actual download process. The good news is that downloading an email in Outlook is incredibly straightforward and won't take you more than a few clicks. From your inbox pane, browse through and locate the specific email you want to download. This could be an important work email, a receipt, or any message you'd like to keep a copy of outside your inbox. Once you've found the email, right-click directly on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options available to you. Look through this menu carefully, as you'll notice there's a download option right there in the list. When you hover your cursor over the download option, you'll see two different format choices appear. The first format is EML and the second is MSG. Now, which one should you choose? Well, EML format is more universal and can be opened by most email clients, making it a great choice if you plan to view the email on different platforms or share it with others. MSG format, on the other hand, is specifically designed for Microsoft Outlook and preserves all the email properties perfectly if you're staying within the Microsoft ecosystem. Choose whichever format best suits your needs based on how you plan to use the downloaded email. Once you've selected your preferred format, the download will start immediately. You don't need to click anything else or confirm the action. The email file will be saved to your default downloads folder, and you'll have a complete copy of that email based on the format you chose. This downloaded file includes the email body, any attachments, and all the relevant metadata like sender, recipient, and timestamp. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an email from Outlook web app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.